Hey there, biology explorers! Today's journey takes us into the captivating world of living organisms. We will be diving into the classification of these organisms, discovering what makes them tick, and exploring the fascinating difference between unicellular and multicellular life forms. Let's start with the classification of organisms. Imagine organizing a library with different types of books. Similarly, scientists classify living things into groups based on their characteristics. This helps us understand the incredible diversity of life on Earth and how organisms are related to each other. These organisms are first classified into prokaryote and eukaryote. Prokaryotes, like bacteria, have simpler cells without a nucleus. Eukaryotes, on the other hand, like plants, animals, and fungi, have more complex cells with a nucleus that holds their genetic information. Eukaryotes have their own subdivisions too. Some are unicellular, which means they are made up of just one cell, like a single person team. Others are multicellular, like a bustling city of cells working together for the greater good. Let's focus on unicellular eukaryotes, the protists. Protists are simple eukaryotic organisms that are neither plants nor animals or fungi. Think of them as the versatile solo performers of the biological stage. An example is the amoeba, a tiny organism that moves and engulfs its food. These protists can live in water or damp places. Next, moving on to multicellular organisms, some have cell walls. Picture a fortress protecting a castle. Plants are perfect examples, using their cell walls to stand tall and gather sunlight for energy. Some, like trees, make their own food through photosynthesis. That is why they are known as phototrophs, as they use light as their source of energy and carry out various cellular processes, while others, like mushrooms, rely on consuming other things, and that is why they are known as heterotrophs. Now think of multicellular organisms without cell walls as flexible teams in action. Animals are the best examples. Imagine an ant colony working together like a well-oiled machine. They don't have cell wall, but they still have unique roles that keep their community thriving. From tiny unicellular protists to complex multicellular organisms, the world of living things is truly diverse and awe-inspiring. Remember, whether it's a single cell superstar or a bustling city of cells, each organism has its place in the grand tapestry of life. Join us next time as we unravel more mysteries of the biological world. Bye.